Alright. Oh.
Aren't you gonna like talk about what you're doing?
Yeah. Alright, baby girl, this is your first mouthful of
milk.
very liquid. Yeah, basically. Huh? Was that good? What do you do that? What do you do that? You want more? Do you want more?
Oh, good job.
What's that face?
Like her or me?
Good job, Brianna. I wish this was thicker. I think I'm gonna add a little more. Your face is covered. Okay. Oh, you wanna hold it? I think you like it. Does this mean you're gonna sleep tonight? I wish. Ah. Show your daddy your messy face. She likes it.
She's doing good.
She's doing
Yeah,
really
she
good.
is.
Alright. Should I make it a little bit thicker? Just a little bit? I don't know if you're